Here's the question then, part A and part B. I've got the formula down here from the formula booklet. So let's do this then. 5 ordinates from 0 to 3. I think that's what the paper said. Yeah, 0 to 3. So 5 ordinates, that's 4 intervals. Divide this into 4 then to get h. So h will be b minus a, 3 minus 0, over the number of intervals. 5 ordinates is 4 intervals, so it's 3/4. So x0 is 0, x1, and then x2, x3, and x4. Let me just move this below now for the formula. And then x4. And then y0. Okay, so put 0 in here. E to 0 is 1, so that's ln 9. Put 0.75 in here, it's ln 8 plus e to the 0.75. Then 1.5 ln 8 plus e to the 1.5. And ln 8 plus e to the 2.25. And ln 8 plus e cubed. We're working to 2dp, so if we do it to 5dp, we should be alright, shouldn't we? Okay, let's have a go. So ln 9 first of all, so it's ln, natural logarithm, it was 8 plus e to the power 0, wasn't it? Let's put it like that, and then we can just change it accordingly. So that would be ln 9. 19722. 19722, 2 point. Next one, e to the 0.75. 31421. 31421. Then 1.5. 52426. 2.25 next. 86149. And then e cubed. 33525. 335, 3 point. 33525, let's just check that again. Yeah, I'm just going to check the 2.25 to make sure it wasn't 3 point. 2 point, yeah, 86149. Okay, those are the points then. So, we can now use Simpson's rule. So here, I'm going to call it I, is approximately equal to then h over 3. 3/4 over 3 is 1/4. The first and the last, 19722 plus 3.33525, 3 point there. That's the first and the last, plus 4 times the odd, which is y1 and y3. y1 and y3, 2.31421 plus 2.86149 plus 2 times the even, which would be just dx2, wouldn't it? 2.52426. 2.52426. Close that bracket, close the brace for the quarter times. So there's what we've got then. Let's have a look at that. Okay, good. Okay, let's see what we get. We'll tap it in the calculator then. So it's 0.25 quarter times bracket. Let's type them in. First plus the last, plus 4 times these two, just typing them in, that's the 4 times, plus 2 times just one number, so we don't need a bracket, 52426. Close the bracket for the quarter times then, equals 7.8209. 7.8209 ... We only need it to 2dp, so 7.82 to 2dp. Now I'm just going to check manually before I move on that I've entered it all correctly. So I'm just, save me double checking at the end of the paper or something. So let's have a look. 19722 quarter times, yep. 3.3533525, yep. 4 times 2.31421 plus 2.86149, close bracket, plus 2 times 52426. And everything looks okay. So that's that. So that was part A, now part B. So here, let's see what we've got. This integral then is I, and we'll need to work out part B. B, integral of log 16. ln 16 plus 2e to the x, wasn't it? There's a 2 common, so that would be equal to 0 to 3 ln 2 times that would be 2 times this object would be ln 2 plus ln 8 plus e to the x. I've just done 2 steps in one there because 2 lots of that would be the thing, and times you add the logs, so that would be approximately equal to then this integral is just ln 2 times x between 0 and 3. That's just a constant, integrates to constant times x, plus I, which is equal to 3 ln 2, isn't it? Plus I. So if we go to our calculator and just add 3 ln 2, so answer plus 3 times natural logarithm of 2. 9.900. And that was to 2dp. Okay, I'm just going to check the answer now on our past papers. If I can. C3. 7.82. Yeah, to 2dp. And the other one? Let's go down. B. 9.90, which is what we had.